Welcome back to the vlog. We are back in San Jose. This is where I went to college. This is where I practiced for, we had team practices and stuff here. It's pretty cool. Doubles weekend, over under. So we are bowling with a senior player. His name is Darren Peters. Team Darren this weekend. But yeah, rode down. We picked up Jan Can on the way. I have 3 bowling balls for practice because I have 6 in San Francisco with my parents. They are going to bring them tomorrow before I start bowling, hopefully. But for now, I have an Idle Cosmos, an Altered Reality, and a Night Road. So we'll see how it goes. I brought don't look very good. Cosmos, Altered could look good a little later in the block. I think it might be a little too early though. These are the balls I have at home that my parents are bringing. That one might be good. The blue one will probably be in play again. Maybe the Zen. I brought my Aspect too. I feel like I need my balls to stand up quicker. They get really slicked down late here, so. Alright, so as you guys may or may not know, I pretty much spent a large chunk of my career here. I actually worked in this pro shop for a little bit. It's kind of like a summer job, but this is 4th Street, off the sheet pro shop at 4th Street Bowl. I know the lighting's probably really bad, so let's go inside. Our college coach, Lindsay Wong, owns this pro shop. Used to be business partners with Tony Reyes, so there's some cool stuff on the wall. But we had an idea. Matt back here, actually bowled juniors against him. He was supposed to come to San Jose State, and then he didn't for some reason. My ball reaction is not really good out there. I didn't have all the balls that I intended on bringing because, you know, earlier in the vlog, but we're gonna do a pitch black. He's gonna drill it for me, and then after I'm done with it, whether, you know, we win, we don't win, just the cut, bowl good or bad, I'm gonna donate it to the bowling team, San Jose State. I'm gonna sign it. They're gonna raise some money. So if you guys are interested in, I don't know how they're gonna do it, but if you're interested in that kind of thing, contact, I guess, the pro shop. Sure. Lindsay at Off the Sheet Pro Shop. And if you're interested in bowling for the program, same thing, just contact the pro shop. Thanks, bro.
Gotcha, dude.
Hopefully works out.
Hope so too.
Yeah.
I mean,
and if it doesn't, it's your fault.
it's my fault.
Chad's the boys here at 4th Street. Come down. They're the best in the Bay. That's all I gotta say. Yeah, I used to work here. I've seen a lot go on here, so check them out. All right, here we go. Qualifying day for the over-under doubles here in San Jose. A-Squad Bold. They don't look very easy. They're doing a roll call right now. I'm gonna go put the monkey suit on. Yeah, I'm kind of hoping that pitch black we did yesterday works wonders, but you never know. Stay open-minded and do the thing. Sorry, lack of updates, but I told 150, so it wasn't. I'm a little confused. So I've been tracking how well I'm executing per game. I executed pretty well that game. It was like a 7 out of 12. So it's not the greatest game, but it's not a bad one either. I threw 5 different balls, and I punched out for 159. So as a team, we're about 50 under, and they're tight down there. I think I need to throw it slower. We gotta find something real quick. Team's down 110 points, and I'm pretty lost. I think that pair I finally could have hooked it, and I tried to play straight. Struck every time I hit the pocket, but every time I did hit the pocket, I got 7 or less. So I think we're just gonna commit to hooking it now, create some angle, and hopefully strike. It's looking like the number might be around even, so if we can get a few good games, just never know. Yeah, all right, well, not making the cut, but I think my partner and I were first out. We bowled 512 last game to get to -18, and we're gonna miss the cut by 6. We both threw Brooklyns. Oh no, we had 1 Brooklyn and I caved the big 4 in the 9th frame. I doubled in the 10th and my partner 4-9'd. We both shot 256. I bowled 153 times today. That's just not acceptable. I had 40 under, my partner bowled 25 over, so he gave me plenty as the senior player. I just didn't do my job. But you know what happens, and we gave ourselves a chance at the end, so I'm not too upset. I did kind of give up at the end of game 7. I'm not proud of that. I got flustered. It was just, you know, not having good ball reaction all day got to me, and you know, we just got to be better mentally. But Anthony made a good suggestion the last game, and I ended up making a ball change I didn't miss after that. So shout out to the cannon. Cannon for the altar. But we still didn't make the cut, so it doesn't really matter that much. But I'm gonna give him credit anyways. We'll see you next week for a pretty special event.